Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Math with Amina. So since we are done with the first chapter, we have completed the different exercises, questions. The next thing that we will be working on are the examination practice questions. These questions are designed to help us apply the concepts we have learned and prepare us for the type of questions we may encounter in an exam. So before we solve each question carefully, it's very much important to read the information given and identify what the question is asking us to find. I will be going through each solution step by step, explaining the method and reasoning behind each step. However, you have to remember one thing, that in an exam, showing your work is just as important as getting the final answer. Clear working helps you demonstrate your understanding and can help you gain marks even if you have small mistakes. So let's begin with the first question and practice. First question of the examination practice questions. So in here we are given a set of numbers. As you can see, these in the set we have -4, -1, 0, 3, 4, 6, 9, 15, 16, 19, and 20. And we are asked which of these numbers are natural numbers, square numbers, negative numbers, prime numbers, multiples of 2, and factors of 80. So taking a start with the natural number. Natural numbers are those numbers that are positive whole numbers and it starts from 1. So in the list, the numbers that are natural numbers are 3, 4, 6, 9, 15, 16, 19, and 20. Next, we are asked about the square numbers. Square numbers are obtained by multiplying a whole number by itself. So 4, 9, and 16 are square numbers. Next, we have negative numbers. Negative numbers, we define them as numbers that are less than 0 and have a minus sign in front of them. So in the list, the numbers that are negative integers are -4 and -1. The fourth part asks us about the prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers greater than 1 that have exactly 2 factors. That is, the first factor is 1 and the second factor is the number itself. So in the list, the numbers given to us that are prime numbers are 3 and 19. The fifth part of the question asks about the multiples of 2. So a number that can be obtained by multiplying a 2 by a whole number, that would be called as the multiple of 2. So in the list, the multiple of 2 are 4, 6, 16, and 20. The last part of the question asks about the factors of 80. So a factor of a number is a number that divides that number exactly without leaving any remainder. So factor of 80 means numbers that divides 80 completely without leaving a remainder. So in the list, those numbers are 4, 16, and 20. That's all for this question. I hope it's clear and happy learning.